To install the iContract Collaborate app, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for iContract Collaborate, and click Install. During installation, you'll be asked to grant the required OAuth permissions. These permissions allow iContract Collaborate to function properly. Later in the video, I'll walk you through exactly where and how these scopes are used. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the app under the Extensions menu. Go ahead and launch iContract Collaborate. The first time you launch the app, you'll see the Config Selector screen. Here, you'll need to choose the appropriate application configuration file. After that, a pop-up will appear asking you to select the environment. The available environments are fully driven by the configuration file you selected in the previous step. Once the environment is selected, you'll land on the iContract Collaborate homepage. From here, you can create a new template or contract, open an existing one, or review and approve contracts. For today's demo, we'll start by creating a template, and then we'll use that template to generate a contract. Along the way, I'll also explain how the different OAuth scopes are being used. While creating a template, you'll have the option to add meta tags. Behind the scenes, we use the Google Docs API to update the template document. In this example, we'll add a contract number and a contract title. When we click Save or Save and Activate, the template document needs to be stored in the iContract Collaborate application. To do that, we first fetch the current document ID using the drive.read-only scope, and then build a Drive v3 export URL to download the document in DOCX format. Now let's create a contract using the template we just built. We'll open a new document and launch iContract Collaborate again. In the Create Contract flow, select the same template we created earlier and click Create. The app will fetch the template in the background and open it using the Drive API. You'll now see the contract document along with the associated form. Some of the meta tags are already pre-filled. From here, you can continue editing the contract and either save it or save it as a draft. Meta tag values can also be updated dynamically at runtime. This is done using the Google Docs API. When you click Save or Save as Draft, the contract document is stored in the iContract Collaborate application. Similar to the template flow, we fetch the current document ID using the drive.read-only scope and generate a Drive v3 export URL to download the document in DOCX format.